Hello, English learners. How are you doing? My name is Alice and welcome to a new video. And today I bring you 11 useful idioms to talk about your jobs, occupations, or businesses. Let's start. The first idiom we're going to look at today is burning the midnight oil. We use this phrase when we have to work late or to put in extra effort in order to complete a task or a project. For example, I have an important deadline tomorrow, so I will be burning the midnight oil to finish this report. Idiom number 2, to get your foot in the door. To get your foot in the door means to secure an initial opportunity or entry in a field or organization. For example, she started as an intern to get her foot in the door at the company, but now she's a full-time employee. Idiom number 3, to go the extra mile. To go the extra mile means to put in additional effort or work beyond what is expected or required from you. For example, if you want to impress your boss, be willing to go the extra mile and take on additional responsibilities. The next idiom is to climb the corporate ladder. To climb the corporate ladder means to advance in one's career or moving up the hierarchy in a company. For example, he started as an entry-level employee and worked hard to climb the corporate ladder to become a manager. So when he started to work, he had the lowest position. Then he has moved up to become a manager. Idiom number 5, to be a team player. To be a team player is to work well and cooperate with others in your team. For example, in our company, it's important to be a team player and help each other to achieve our goals. Idiom number 6, to be on the same page. To be on the same page is to have a shared understanding or agreement about something. For example, let's have a meeting to ensure that we are all on the same page about the project timeline and goals. So here we're talking about having a meeting in order to make sure that all of us have the same understanding and idea about the project. The next idiom is to meet a deadline. To meet a deadline means to complete, to accomplish a task or a project within the specific time. For example, I need to finish this report by tomorrow morning to meet the deadline. So tomorrow, this is the last day when I have to hand in my report. So I have to do my best and finish it before the deadline, before tomorrow. Idiom number 8, to be in the driver's seat. To be in the driver's seat means to be in control or to have authority or influence. For example, after years of hard work, she found herself in the driver's seat as the head of the department. Well done for her. Idiom number 9, to hit the ground running. To hit the ground running means to start a new job, a new occupation, new project with enthusiasm and with immediate effectiveness. For example, the new team member quickly adapted and hit the ground running by contributing valuable ideas. Idiom number 10, to throw in the towel. To throw in the towel means to give up or to admit defeat. For example, after numerous failed attempts, she decided to throw in the towel and pursue a different career. So she decided to give up, she admitted defeat, and decided to change her career. The last but not less important or less interesting idiom we're going to look at today is glass ceiling. We use this idiom to highlight the challenges and discriminations faced by individuals despite of their high qualifications or effort. They're still facing barriers due to their gender or race in workplaces. For example, despite her qualification and experience, Jane has been unable to break through the glass ceiling and reach a leadership position in the company. In this sentence, we can observe gender discrimination as being women. Jane is unable to break this barrier. She is unable to get this leadership position. I hope you found this video useful for you. For more videos, follow my channel.